सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें सारी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस पाने के लिए।
हेलो दोस्तों, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड एंड सेफ ड्यूरिंग दिस सिचुएशन. So, as you have seen the title and the thumbnail, I will be discussing about the September 2020 examinations for which you and even me are all worried about. So what you have in this video, let me tell you in brief what things I will be covering in this video. The first thing, whether CMA exams in September 2020 will be conducted or not, right? This is the question which every CMA student have in their minds as of now. Second question is that, like, when if exams got cancelled, or the students who are appearing for December examinations, who have registered themselves for December 2020 examinations, whether they will be getting exemption related to the training or not. All the trainings, I mean the computer training, practical training, and all of that stuff. Second thing is that, and the third query is that when the verification result will be announced. So these 3 points I will be covering in this video, and please make sure that do not okay. So starting with the first question, that whether the CMA exams will be conducted or not in September 2020, my opinion regarding that examinations is that it is highly impossible to conduct examinations in September. As you can see, the cases are above 10 lakh as of now, and when the cases were around 500 to 1000, then everybody was saying us that stay at home, do not conduct examination, all examinations were cancelled. And now when the cases are at 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh, then they will conduct examinations. I am not blaming anyone, this is not our institute case, but this is happening all over our country. As you can see, UGC examinations also got postponed. So I think this is the time that institutes are taking decision in favor of students, and yet our institute have to take the decision. And I believe that the ICMI will merge these examinations with December 2020 examinations as other institutes have done. But we have to wait for the official notification. I know we all are confused. So the thing you can do is, if you are a student who will be appearing for December 2020 examinations from the earliest, then keep studying, no issues at all. And if your attempt was June 2020 and now the situation is like not confirmed whether the exams will be conducted or not, and if you have completed your one group, if your both groups are left and you were appearing for single group, then I will say do not go for both groups. If you can't manage, you can try for both groups. If you can pick one subject from the another group, and if it feels like you can do it, then go for it. Otherwise, you can improve your skills by you can join Microsoft Excel courses, okay, and many more courses. Such other courses are available which will enhance your skill if you will go in the corporate. Okay, you can join me on Twitter. I keep sometimes I share these things as well, so you may get the knowledge about it, that what things that you can improve. You can work on your communication skills. If you don't have proper, I would say English is a language which by which a status can be examined in India, but it is not the case that you must be a proficient in English. You must be too much proficient in English, or a professional in English, I would say. So these are the things which I keep sharing on Twitter. You can join me. I will share the link of my Twitter profile in the description. Okay, so you can do like that. And if you are preparing for both groups, then keep preparing for both. That's it. The second question is, the students who were appearing for December 2020 examinations, what will happen to their training? I believe and I hope that when the institute merge the examinations with December examinations, then they also release the notification regarding the practical training that it is exempted, as they did for June 2020 examinations, right? They have clearly said in June 2020 examinations that the trainings, computer training and the practical training, have been exempted. The similar thing CS Institute have done, you can see that. So I believe this also will be done. So I know this is the high time. Students are not getting trainings and articleships and jobs. This is like a bad phase where we don't have any trainings and such, or if we have, we cannot go there because of this issue coronavirus. So do not worry, and institute will surely take decision. Do not worry about training, just keep studying, and the decision will surely be in favor of us, right? And the third thing is that when the verification result will be announced, so as per the sources, the result will be announced soon. No such date has been prescribed, but it will come as soon as possible. I have got to know this. I got to know this from somewhere. So just sharing this with you. And the examinations will be merged is completely my opinion. Rest, we hope that institute takes our decision in the best. I have suggested you that what you can do if you were appearing for single group or both groups. Now the rest is in your hands. Do not waste your time just thinking that when the notification will be released, because at once if they merge our examinations with December 28 examinations, then we have to give in December, right? So that is no point if we keep thinking about that. Just keep studying and do courses and all that. It's not like that you have to put so much effort only in studying. You can relax yourself as well, because this is a time where we have to refresh ourselves as well. Okay, so this is it. Hope you all have a nice day, and let me know if you have any other queries in the comment section. That's it. See you all in the next video. All the best.